Hey guys, so it's Elise from E&M, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup look, one that your mama won't get mad about. So I always start off by moisturizing my face with this oil-free moisture. Just put a little dot everywhere, and then blend, blend, blend. This is just so that you don't feel like the makeup is like cracking. Or after I do that, I use this to blend my makeup. So I always start off with concealer. Morgan!
What?
I need assistance from the cameraman. Could you open this? My hands are slippery. Okay. I love my boyfriend. So you just put some under your eye. I like to do like little triangles. It looks kind of funny, but it's okay. Kind of draw little stripes. Okay. So now I just blend that in. Blend, blend, blend. So now I go in with this foundation by CoverGirl. It's the True Blend. So then I just take a little bit, not too much. Since you already put concealer, you don't put too much. So now you just put little dots like that. And then you blend it. You never want to overdo your foundation because then it just looks too cakey. And you don't want that. You don't want to look like too much of a dessert. Just kidding. So now we're gonna do bronzer. And you kind of have to make a funny face for this. You have to make like a fish face so that your cheekbones pop out and you could get them coated well. And I like to use this brush, it's like angled. And I use the Master Bronze by Face Studio from Walmart. It's really cheap. You just put a little bit of that on either side of your nose, on your cheekbones, your jawline. And I put a little bit up here just because it seems symmetrical. Now I'm going to put on a little bit of blush. I always like to do my face first and then my eyes. I don't know why. It's just kind of my method. So I use the Be Matte blush by City Color. And I just usually use this middle shade. It's like a very light pink. And I don't put too much because personally, I'm not a huge fan of blush. And I kind of already have rosy cheeks. Okay, so now we're going to get into the eyes. And I always prime them first with the same concealer I used earlier. Oh, and I didn't tell you what it was. It's the Clean Invisible Concealer by CoverGirl. I use Fair. It's good to use a few shades lighter because then it illuminates your face more where you want it. So then you just blend that. And then I like to take this Naked 2 palette. I know it's kind of like outdated now, but I still use it. I like the colors. So you get all these like earthy colors, and mine's pretty used now because I've been using it for a while, but I like to take Foxy and put it on the lid. This is like a primer eyeshadow. And then I take the Tease. It's like a light brown matte color. And I just blend it into the crease to give it more definition. My favorite one on this is the YDK. It's like a sparkly purple brown. It's hard to explain, but you'll see what I mean. And it doesn't come out too sparkly, which is good. But it's not too plain either. And this is more of a natural makeup look because honestly, natural is always better. So now as you can see, my eyes are darker, at least a little bit. So now I like to go in with eyeliner. And this is where it gets tricky. So I just like to, honestly, a lot of people don't like this method, but I don't mind like pulling my eye and then you just kind of draw a wing, just like so. Just have a steady hand, that's all you really need. It looks intimidating, and if you want to extend it, you can. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay. So now you have your eyeliner. The other eye. Extend. I find, oh shoot, you don't want to do that. I find like the best, if that happens, you just wipe it off with your water. No biggie. Okay. So I just extended a little bit, not too much. Go over it one more time. Okay. Another great thing I like to do is if you make any mess ups, because everybody does, no one's perfect, but just go over it with concealer, like a little dot, and then blend it out. Now I like to just curl my eyelashes. Just curl them upwards. Be careful when you do this because you can yank on it too much. Okay. Now I just take this mascara. It's called Paris Hilton Curling Mascara. It's pretty good. The wand's like tilted, so you could get a good curl. So I just put that through my lashes. I like to like do a little wiggle. Wiggle up, wiggle up. Wiggle up, wiggle up. That's honestly pretty much it with the eyes. They're very simple. To finish it up, I just go in with this. I don't do much with my eyebrows. I kind of like to just keep them more on the natural side, so I'll just kind of get some water. Just like brush them upwards. Because they're already pretty dark, honestly. So then I just take this e.l.f. press powder. Just go over everything so that you could set it. Okay. Okay. And then for my lips, I just put on some chapstick. Pretty basic. So I just use Lasting Smiles Organic Lip Balm. And honestly, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. That was my simple everyday makeup look. And just, yeah, I'd go for it if you don't want to make your mama mad and you want a simple everyday look. So